Hi friends, I'm Max. Today I'll tell you why the Earth sometimes shakes, called earthquakes.
Earth looks solid, but deep under our feet, it's made of giant puzzle pieces. These big puzzle pieces are called tectonic plates. They're always moving. Sometimes these plates rub against each other and get stuck. When they get stuck, energy builds up like a stretched rubber band. When the plates suddenly slip, boom, the ground shakes. This shaking makes waves that travel through the ground. These are earthquake waves.
The place where the slip starts is called the epicenter.
During a real earthquake, we stay safe by ducking under a table. So that's why earthquakes happen. Subscribe and smash the bell icon. Bye!